Well, as you can see, we made it to Mole Creek. Not a huge ride from Launceston, but a very nice and easy-going one. It is one of those places if you blink too long, you'll miss it. Little towns like Mole Creek are everywhere in Tasmania, each with a pub that is the lifeline of their community. Pubs are more than just a place to grab a pint. They're also places for rural families to kick off the dust and grab a dinner and relax. In the riding months here in Tassie, you will find plenty of riders pulling up on a regular basis for a good meal and to relax. In many ways, these pubs are for everyone. It doesn't matter who you are once you walk through that door.